Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing. We're going to call this a parts tip today. Get a lot of calls in the heat of the summer. Everybody's in a rush, I know. Dean, I ordered a prop and a hub kit. My hub kit isn't there. Well, usually it is. It's either in the packing material, or a lot of times if you order a Michigan wheel prop, the hub will fit in this cutout in the box right here. So make sure before you call us to check the part of the box and make sure that hub kit isn't in there. Another common call is I ordered a gasket, it's not in my order. Well, if you ordered a cable or anything with a larger box that can be opened, a lot of times the shipping department will put it inside this box to protect it. So make sure you open up any of the other boxes and parts that are in there. Make sure your smaller pieces aren't in there. Another common thing is everybody gets the parts. I know you're in a hurry. You open it up, you throw everything off to the side or throw it away, and guess what? You just threw away your mender. So make sure you take all the packaging out, flatten it out, and make sure it isn't in there. Hope this tip helps you out. Remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.